Today we talk about how can you fix this problem or know how you can do that on your Classroom app. So all you have to do in the first, so you just click here on settings here, just click on it. So then it's going to take you to this list, it's going to show for you like this. Then you go down, just keep going down, click here on apps. Come to apps list here. So then here you're looking for Classroom app or just click on search. Then here at Classroom, just click on it. So then it's going to take you to this list here. And here you click on for stop, you click on OK. Then you go down, just click on storage. Come to storage is here, just click on clear cache. Then all you have to do, so you just turn off your Wi-Fi and turn on it again, then it's going to work with you. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking and subscribe.